Hello, dear viewers. This is ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. I'm your reporter, Bersaba Takhla, and following are the major headlines for today. Message of congratulations to President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Seminar organized on controlling harmful practices in Shi'ib subzone. Iceland Volcano erupts after weeks of earthquakes. And Kyiv forced to cut military operations as foreign aid dries up. On your domestic reports, President Isaias sent message of congratulations to President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi for his re-election for the third term as President of the Republic of Egypt. In his message on behalf of himself and the Eritrean people, President Isaias expressed his best wish to President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi and development and prosperity to the people of the sisterly country of Egypt. Noting the profound friendship of the two peoples and countries, President Isaias expressed a readiness to work for the enhancement of cooperation for the mutual benefit of the two countries. Administrator of the Shi'ib subzone, Mr. Abubakar Ibrahim, emphasized the need for students and the general public to raise awareness of the need to stop harmful practices that are negatively affecting women's overall development. Mr. Abubakar made the comment at a seminar organized for the residents and students in the subzone. Mr. Abubakar briefed the audience in great detail on the causes and effects of female genital mutilation and underage marriages, and emphasized the need to protect women's and children's rights, and urged increased involvement in the fight against harmful practices that stunt the growth of women both physically and psychologically. Additionally, Mr. Abubakar urged area administrators and teachers to increase their involvement in the endeavor. For their part, the participants called for the sustainability of these seminars and expressed their willingness to increase their involvement in the endeavor. On your last local report, training to preschool teachers was provided in Keren on 15 and 16 December, focusing on handling and treatment of kindergarten students. The training covered mother tongue instruction, time and resource management, teaching methodology and knowledge transfer, weekly performance reviews of teachers, and the use of supplementary teaching materials. The goal of the training, according to Ms. Bakita Ibrahim, head of pre-education at the Ministry of Education branch in the Ansaba region, was to improve teachers' abilities and provide them the skill to contribute their part in the advancement of the teaching and learning process. Mr. Yosef Owaslase, the head of the education office in Keren subzone, urged the trainees to put the training they were provided in generating competitive students, pointing out that pre-education is the cornerstone for all education at all levels. The region's head of basic education, Ms. Najat Al-Amin, stated that pre-education teachers training program, which go beyond enhancing their skills, will have significant contribution in reducing the differences across kindergarten schools. There are 146 teachers and 22 kindergarten schools in Keren subzone. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international reports and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. A volcano in southwest Iceland has erupted, spewing lava and smoke across a wide area a week after nearly 4,000 residents of a nearby town were evacuated amid intense seismic activity. According to further reports, the eruption started on Monday on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula, turning the sky orange. It appeared to have taken place about 4 kilometers from the town of Grindavik. Iceland has been on high alert for a potential eruption after thousands of small earthquakes rattled the region about 40 kilometers south of the capital, Reykjavik, prompting the evacuation of the fishing town of Grindavik and the closure of the nearby Blue Lagoon geothermal spa in November. On today's final report, Ukraine has warned it is already being forced to downsize some military operations because of a drop-off in foreign aid. Top General Alexander Tarnavsky said troops faced ammunition shortages along the entire front line, creating a big problem for Kyiv. This comes as billions of dollars of U.S. and European Union aid have been held up amid political disputes. Ukraine said it hoped to boost its own ammunition industry with the Western help, but it relies heavily on Western supplies, particularly on deliveries of long-range missiles and air defense systems. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Message of congratulations to President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Seminar organized on controlling harmful practices in Shu'aib subzone. Iceland volcano erupts after weeks of earthquakes. And Kyiv forced to cut military operations as foreign aid dries up. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.